Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram quiz sticker button is missing or disappearing. So if the Instagram quiz sticker is missing from your stories, you don't need to worry. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it quickly and get back to engaging your audience. So the first one, you can try to update your Instagram app. You can go to App Store or Play Store if you are using Android like I do. And here you can just search for Instagram. And then you can just tap on update if there's any update available. So why you need to do this? Because new features may require the latest versions of the app. Second one, you can try to switch to professional account because some stickers are limited to business or creator accounts. So you can go to your Instagram and go to your profile, tap on this three lines icon and go to the settings and privacy. And in here you can just choose creator or business. Okay, if it still doesn't work, you can try to clear the Instagram cache. So if you are using Android, you can just open the settings on your phone and go to the app settings, and in here select Instagram, and then tap on storage and cache. Here click on clear cache. Okay, but if you are an iPhone user, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Next, you can also try to log out and log back in. You can go to your Instagram to log out. Here you can just tap on your name at the top and go to the settings. Click on the three lines icon. Then just find the options to log out, usually at the bottom. Scroll down, this one, click on log out, and then close the app completely like this, and log back in and check stories. You can also try to use a VPN or change your region because some features roll out gradually to different locations. So try using a VPN and switch to a country where the quiz sticker is available. And if nothing works, you can uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh all features. So after trying these steps that I told you, your quiz stickers should be back. If it's still missing, you can try to contact the Instagram support because Instagram also might be testing features in different regions, so you need to stay patient for updates. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.